Understanding drifting apart in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, drifting apart. This expression is often used in conversations, but what does it really mean? Let's dive into its meaning and usage, so you can start using it confidently in your English conversations. Drifting apart refers to a situation where two people who were once close gradually become less close or less involved with each other. This can happen in friendships, romantic relationships, or even between family members. It's a process, often slow and gradual, where emotional, physical, or intellectual distance increases between people. 1. Friendships. Alice and I used to be best friends, but since she moved to a different city, we've been drifting apart. 2. Romantic relationships. After several years of marriage, they felt like they were drifting apart, with less and less in common. 3. Family. As the siblings grew older, pursuing different interests and careers, they found themselves drifting apart. 1. Describing change. I've noticed we've been drifting apart since you started your new job. 2. Expressing concern. Do you feel like we're drifting apart? I think we should talk more often. 3. Reflecting on relationships. Looking back, it's clear that we started drifting apart after college. Drifting apart is a phrase that beautifully captures a common human experience, the gradual distancing in relationships. Remember, it's normal for people to drift apart as life changes, but understanding this phrase can help you express your feelings more clearly in English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.